guys watch another video as well. Subscribe to me, update him because guys, new skins in the shop. And yeah, this is the next guy you guys want to know. Guys, no wait for also guys, every week there should be new news like coming soon, like something the old OG place or something like that. Then we're gonna do news. Automatic sniper rifle coming soon. No, the semi also got vaulted. I think it's just a replacement for the semi. Automatic sniper rifle. It's like a semi, but it looks like it does way more damage. So guys, hope you guys enjoy this video. Also, guys, if you like skin, because I might wear this in a lot of videos. I've wanted to like take every video of the season, except for like 2. Enjoy today's video. What's the first level that? Also, I'm building a career, but I might be doing a video soon. So you guys hope you enjoy this video. Also, guys, the max, if you guys hate the max, it might be more than 2 days in an hour. When I was doing that last week, I'm not going to do this straight away. So you guys know what to want, tier 20. So these are my things, profile. I also got win duos now. Now it's 11 wins. I got a win yesterday. Scores, LTM. Guys, if you enjoy this video, peace out. And see you in the next one. Blah blah blah. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to KI. Subscribe to Zuvo. Subscribe to the Master King Vlogger 55. Subscribe to Gingy Gods. And subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Peace out. The Wild West out of time then automatic sniper. And change up the island, explore everything that's new. Keep your opponents pinned down in long range with this full auto sniper rifle. The new Western Wild set is available now. So you guys will enjoy today's video. Peace out. Peace out, yeah. Bye. Enjoy.